Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia. I am Nasday. I am okay, so I received your buy data from Alawa L Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yeah.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Okay, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yeah, actually, I have two sister. My sister work there. Two sister.
Okay, so is it with our same agency here that they are
Yeah,
applying for? Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so do you know which place they were designated?
Actually, ma'am, I don't know.
It's okay. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
It's okay, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, nothing, ma'am.
Nothing because if got issues in your body, then better not come here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. My name is Honey Rose Paruhinog. I'm 31 years old. I live in Davao City. I don't have kids, and also I'm single.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
My birthday is September 9, 1993.
September.
9, 1993.
Okay, what is your height and your weight?
Pardon, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4, 4'11", and my weight is 72 kilos right now.
72. Okay, so you need to do diet, okay? While you are staying in the
Okay.
accommodation. What is your
Yeah.
religion?
Catholic.
Roman Catholic. What about your educational background?
I finished only high school.
It's okay. So, is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have six sister and one brother.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm in the three
You're the third.
level.
Okay, so
Yeah,
you're
I'm
the
a
third.
third.
So, what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
Actually, my father's died almost 13 years ago, and then my mom is only a housewife.
Okay. So, in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2018 to 2020 here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, yes, mom.
Do you know which place in Malaysia?
I in sorry, mom, I forgot already.
It's okay. Is it Chinese family or Malay family
It's
or Indian family?
it's a Chinese mom.
Chinese. Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment here in Malaysia?
I work in a four person, and then I have two kids, twins. I
Okay.
go there. When I go there, I take care of the kids and cook, and so also clean.
Okay. You do laundry ironing?
Yeah,
Ha-
all around.
all around. So how old are those children that you take care, the twins one?
When I come there, I think 1 years old.
1 year
Yeah,
old.
1 year old
Okay. So what
twins.
happened? What happened why you decided go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working to this employer?
Actually, because it's my first time, I'm too young that day, and because I cannot handle two kids.
Okay, but still lucky that you also finish your 2 years contract even you cannot handle the twins, is it?
So, actually, ma'am, I cannot finish. I did not finish that contract. I have left 6 months, but I will talk to my employer. She agreed with that. She bring me in the agency, and then when I talked to my agency, they agree all, and then I I the agreement is become good and I sit there, then
Okay, so
no
you work
problem.
only for 1 year and 6 months, is it?
Yes.
Okay. But your employer is the one send you back in the Philippines, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So way back 2020 to 2022, you work in KSA, correct?
Actually, I stay here because that day I the pandemic is come. Then I stay 1 year in Philippines. Then after that I apply again, and then I 2020 I for
Yeah, in your by
23.
data, it was stated when did you go to Saudi?
I think 2023, ma'am, or 20.
2023 until?
No, ma'am, 2000.
So you work in KSA way back 2022 to 2024 for 2 years and you finish your contract. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in KSA?
In KSA, I take care of three kids. The eldest is 17 years old. The second is 10 years old, and the youngest is when I come there is 6 years old.
Okay. So you take care of three children. You do house chores,
Yeah,
cooking, laundry, and ironing at the same time?
all around, mom.
All around also. Okay, so what happened? Why you decided to go back home Philippines?
Actually, I have I don't wait lang. Because I want increase salary because my salary there is not enough for uh, provide to my two sister because they have college already now. Then I talked to my employer. They don't want some like increase. That's
Oh,
why
so
I
you
decided
decided
to,
to come and work here again in Malaysia, is it?
yeah.
Okay, you know that it's been not new for you to work abroad, right? It is not new for
Yes.
you. You already got experience. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yeah, ma'am, it's okay.
Okay, so are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can
Even
you
I
take
don't
care?
have baby.
It's okay. Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. We need
Can
to
you
take care
cook?
of that. Yeah.
Okay. So can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
No.
I
It's
no, ma'am.
okay.
I
So
stole
are
that
you okay
one.
to take care pets?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Korean foods or what? Chinese
I
foods?
know Chinese food. I know some, and Korean food. I know some also. But if my employer want me to cook, they have YouTube. I want to search some Korean food or
O-
anything.
Okay, so you were going to sign a 2 years contract, okay? Any
Yeah,
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay? Once breach
yeah.
of
I know
contract, you
that.
know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? On usage
Okay.
of mobile handphone, you are allowed to use your phone during working time only. But you can hold your phone during nighttime after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. But if you will work, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now we have 1,800. But if you will work on your rest day, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just wanted to be clear in our initial interview so that we don't have any problem who wants to come to work here in Malaysia and you will not going to demand us about all these things, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so always respect the employer, follow the rules and regulations because you will be signing a contract for 2 years. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer as you are the one working inside the premises for the 2 years. As I have mentioned many times, this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we might be the boss, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries, no such a thing. We need to follow, okay?
Okay.
So normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
Actually, ma'am, if I have a homesickness, I do house chore.
So you focus only doing the job lah, your work.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Honey. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.